Apa lah? Hello everyone, I will introduction myself to you. My name is Ade Chandra. I was born in Pontianak, Indonesia. My birthday is February 2019. And now I am 18 years old. I student in Vocational High School, Kesehatan dan Formasi Pontianak. My hobby football, basketball, volleyball, swimming, fishing, and traveling. I have a dream, want happiness to perish and be successful, and being a nurse is famous among the world. Want to holy and with family.